Very good evening, students. How are you? I think you may all are fine, right? All of you stay home, stay safe, learn well. Okay. Students, in the last class, we have learnt simplification of fractions and to find the lowest common denominator for each part by division method and to finding the LCM for the denominators and equivalent fractions, right? Students, today in this class we are going to know addition and subtraction of fractions. Okay, we know how to add and subtract like fractions with common denominators, right? For example, all of you see here 1 by 9 or 1 over 9 plus 4 over 9. Okay, so here this is like fractions, right? Because here denominators are same. Okay, numerators are different. Okay, in this case we need to add only numerators. Okay, here numerators are 1 plus 4. Okay, so add numerators only. Okay, 1 plus 4 and write denominator as it is. Okay, so 1 plus 4, 5. Okay, 5 over here denominator 9. Okay, so we got 5 over 9. Okay, this is the addition of like fractions. Okay, students, next we are going to know subtraction of like fractions. Okay, so for example, all of you see here 4 over 6 minus 2 over 6. Okay, so here also denominators are same. Okay, 6 and 6. Okay, here numerators are 4 and 2. Okay, so here also we need to subtract only numerators. Okay, 4 minus 2. Okay, write this denominator 6 as it is. Okay, so here 4 minus 2, 2, right? So write this 6 as it is. Okay, here we need to simplify now. Okay, so 2 over 3. Okay, so 2 ones are and 2 threes are. Okay, 2 ones are 2 threes are. Okay, when we simplified this 2 over 6 we got 1 over 3. Okay, so like this. For your class you have addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Okay, so we know how to add and subtract like fractions. Okay, with a common denominator. To add and subtract unlike fractions, okay, we convert the fractions into equivalent fractions with a common denominators. Okay, now we are going to know addition and subtraction of unlike fractions. Okay, so for example, add 2 over 9 and 5 over 6. Okay, so here numerators are 2 and 5. Okay, denominators are 9 and 6. Okay, so here denominators are different, 9 and 6. So this is unlike fractions. Okay, to add the unlike fractions, first we need to find the LCM of the denominators. Okay, now we need to find the LCM for denominator 9 and 6. Okay, all of you see here 9 and 6. Okay, the smallest prime number which divides at least one of these number here is 2. Okay, so from 2 we can't divide 9. Okay, bring down 9 as it is. Okay, 2 divides 6. 2 3 is a 6. Okay, now we got 9 and 3. Now the smallest prime number which divides at least one of these number here is now 3. Okay, 3 3 is a 9 and 3 1 is a 3. Okay, so we got here 3 and 1. Okay, so now the smallest prime number which divides one of these number here is again 3. Okay, 3 ones are 3 and bring down 1 as it is. So LCM is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. Okay. So 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18. Okay. So LCM is 18. Okay. So now we need to write equivalent fractions with the LCM as the denominator. Okay. All of you see here. Okay. 2 over 9. Okay. Into. So 9 2s are 18. Okay. So write 2 over 2. Okay. So when we multiply. Okay. 2 2s are 4. Okay. So and next 9 2s are 18. Okay. So we got 4 by 18. Okay. Now we need to find the equivalent fractions for 5 and 6. Okay. So 5 over 6. Now we need to find the equivalent fractions for 5 over 6. Okay. So 6 3s are 18. Right. Okay. 5 over 6 into 3 over 3 and is equal to 5 3s are 15. Okay. And 6 3s are 18. Okay. So here we got 15 and 18. Okay. So now here denominators are same, right? 18 and 18. Okay. So write 4 over 18 plus 15 over 18. Okay. So we got 4 over 18 plus 15 over 18. Okay. So here now denominators are same. Okay. Now add only numerators. Okay. 4 plus 15. Okay. 4 plus 15 is equal to 19 over here denominators are same, right, as it is. Okay. So here we got 19 over 18. Okay. Now we need to simplify this. Okay. By changing to mixed fraction or a mixed number. Okay. So all of you see here 19 over 18 is equal to. Okay. So here 1 plus 1 over 18. Okay. 18 ones are 18. 18 plus 1 19. Okay. Like this. So this is the addition of unlike fractions. Okay. Next example is subtract 1 over 3 from 6 over 7. Okay. So here now we need to subtract. Okay. So here 1 over 3 and 6 over 7 is unlike fractions because here denominators are different, 3 and 7. Okay. So here numerators are 1 and 6. Okay. Now we need to find the LCM for denominators. Okay. 3 and 7. Okay. All of you see here 3 and 7. The smallest prime number which divides at least one of this number is 3. Okay. 3 ones are 3. Okay. So from 3 we can't divide 7. Okay. Bring down as it is. Okay. Now the smallest prime number which divides at least one of this number here is now 7. Okay. Okay. So bring down 1 as it is. Okay. 7 ones are 7. Okay. So LCM is equal to 3 into 7. Okay. 3 into 7. Okay. 3 sevens are 21. Okay. So LCM is 21. Okay. Now we need to write the equivalent fraction with the LCM as the denominator. Okay. All of you see here 1 by 3 into. Okay. So 3 sevens are 21. Okay. So write 7 over 7. Okay. Is equal to 1 sevens are 7. Okay. 3 sevens are 21. Okay. and next 6 over 7. Okay, okay, from 7, 7 3s are 21. Okay, so 7, 6 over 7 into 3 over 3. Okay, 6 3s are 18. Okay, 7 3s are 21. Okay, now here we got 18 over 21 minus 7 over 21. Okay, now subtract the numerators. Okay, now it will become a like fraction. Okay, so because denominators are same 21 and 21, and subtract the numerators only. Okay, so 18 minus 7 is equal to 18 minus 7, 11, right? 11 by, okay, right denominators as it is. Okay, 21. So we got 11 over 21. Okay, so this is the subtraction of unlike fractions. Okay, students, in this class we have learnt addition and subtraction of unlike fractions, right? If you have any doubt, ask in online session. All of you should follow given worksheet. Thank you.